Hi, today we're going to talk about product and engagement analytics. What are the different tools available in our toolkit to help in understanding engagement a little better? The first tool that I would like to talk about is Amplitude. Today, Amplitude I would consider is one of the better tools available purely for product analytics. Okay, uh, it is designed for product managers because if you look at Google Analytics or Mixpanel or a lot of other tools, they were designed with marketers as the central focus. Okay, and not product managers. Product managers need a different set of metrics to track, which are not very straightforward or not very easily visible in Google Analytics. But in Amplitude, because product managers were the central focus or product success was the central focus, most of these uh, key metrics are straightforward available, which makes it very easy. uh, so instead of me explaining what is Amplitude and how you can use it, we have the product manager of Amplitude himself talking about what is Amplitude, how you can use it in day-to-day life. I'll recommend please go through this video. It's a fantastic coverage of what product analytics and analytics in general has come to be. The second product I would like to engage, that I would like to specifically talk about is engagement analytics, which is Web Engage. So Web Engage came out in the early days was a very simple survey tool, but it very quickly rose up as a full stack engagement tool. Okay, so this tool will help you understand the engagement metrics, which is essentially connected to your retention analytics. What happens after the uh, visitors have landed on your website, and how do you improve the engagement of your visitors, of your customers with your website? We have the product manager of Web Engage himself talking about Web Engage. How can you use Web Engage? How to derive the most benefit out of it? I'll strongly recommend please go through this video, and you'll get a good sense of how to use engagement in your product. To conclude, there are too many tools out there. Okay, and there are new tools which are coming in. So earlier there used to be Swiss knife kind of tools where they will do a lot of things all in one suite, and slowly uh, specific tools started coming in. So some tool will simply just record the screen, the scroll, and so on. Somebody will record just the data, just focus on engagement, just focus on something. There is just, the landscape is very wide open, and it is very difficult to actually capture all of the and understand each of the tools. But the good news is the fundamentals across the different tools are the same. Okay, so you need to just understand the fundamentals, which I have pretty much covered. Now you might come across Segment, you might come across let's say Hotjar and some other tools. They will all have the same fundamentals. They will just provide new capabilities. Okay, so don't be worried that there's a new tool which I don't know. Just start using it. It's not that difficult. Okay, that's it for now. Thank you.